Product analysis is a general name for techniques that can be used to help define the characteristics or specifications of a product or a service. Various industries and domains prefer certain product analysis techniques over others as those serve their needs better. The focus of product analysis is to further define the details of high-level scope. These techniques are used to decompose the high-level scope into smaller pieces while evaluating different ways the product or service may be used. This can lead to, or sometimes even directly help create a specifications list. The information generated through these techniques forms the foundation of the detailed design of product or service. So let us talk about some popular product analysis techniques. Product breakdown. This method is used to understand a current complex product or service by breaking it down into components and noting down the details. Requirements analysis. The collected and identified requirements are reviewed to ensure these are clear, complete, and consistent with other requirements. Systems analysis. A system or a process is studied to understand the inner working of various components, interfaces, inputs, and outputs. Systems engineering. This goes beyond the systems analysis. Various components work together and impact each other in a system. So understanding lifecycle management, reliability, maintainability, and other factors that are considered during the systems engineering study. Value analysis. The focus is to see what is the value delivered or provided by a product or a component of the product or a service or part of the service. This is compared with the cost to create and maintain that product or service to ensure it does not cost more than the value it creates. And the last one is value engineering. This technique extends the value analysis to look at how better or improved value can be gained by modifying a product or service and how cost can be reduced to improve the cost-benefit ratio. The main purpose of the component or product is kept unchanged. So these are the main product analysis techniques.